Get into the inches, get into the body, get into the volume. Like, she's eating the girls up. Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. Zoe here if you're new. My intro unfortunately deleted, so I'm just gonna do a cute little voiceover, but today we are gonna be trying curly clip-ins from Curlsqueen, and I'm so excited. I don't think I've ever been more excited for a hair video because I've always wanted curly clip-ins, so let's get into it. All right, y'all, so this is my hair starting out. I literally have like 4 strands of hair. Shout out to Curlsqueen. They sent me the hair, and when I tell you the packaging is so cute, like get into it with a little ribbon. It comes with this clear bag that has a brush, and the brush is super sleek and pretty. It also comes with a gold bonnet, and then it comes with a few extra clips. So I'm gonna insert some clips of the hair fresh out of the pack. I will say it was much darker than my natural hair. They did attempt to color match it, but I will say the lighting in the picture that I sent them was just a little bit darker. So I did end up doing a bleach wash, which if you guys don't know what that is, you basically just mix bleach developer and shampoo to dilute it a little bit. So I just did a bleach wash and it ended up coming out perfect. And then this is what it looks like after. Honestly, I think this is like a literal perfect match to my current hair color. Like, it's gonna blend so good. You know, let's stop chatting and let's put these in because babe, I'm so excited. All right, y'all, let's get into the specs of this hair. So as you guys can see, the clip-ins are fairly small, which actually are really good for getting that seamless, not bulky look. I like to call these invisible clip-ins because of how thin the band is. And a set of these clip-ins come with 10 pieces total. The actual texture of the hair is called water loose curly, and it is meant for girls who have 2C to 3A curly hair. And the actual install process is super easy. You just want to part your hair and clip the clip-ins onto the root part of your hair. I've been wearing clip-ins for about 5 years now, so this is like second nature to me. But definitely take your time and make sure that you're stacking them and that they're comfortable if it is your first time installing clip-ins. As you guys can see, my curly hair is a little bit different from the texture of the clip-ins, and it is because I straighten my hair way too much. It's very damaged, so I'm actually glad that I have these now so that I can take better care of my curly hair. I always wanted you, but it's you got something real life, you wanna give me stop. And just to help it blend better, I'm adding water, and then I'm finger combing out some of the curls just so that they blend a little bit better with my natural hair, and you'll see the final result soon. Something real life, you wanna give me stop. Yeah. Those on this side, those over on this side. Hey. Alright, y'all, so this is the final result. Stop it, because I love it. Like, are you kidding? Get into the inches, get into the body, get into the volume. Like, she's eating the girls up. So I did end up putting all 10 clips in my hair, which I'm honestly really surprised about because I feel like my head's really small and I didn't think I was gonna be able to fit all 10, but because they're so thin and like seamless, I feel like it was really easy to like stack them without it looking bulky and everything. The length is so cute. Hold on, let me stand up so y'all can see the length, for real. So it is 22 inches, which comes down like basically if I'm dragging it to my hip, but it comes down like right to like my rib cage right here, which I think is so cute. So yeah, it honestly is really long, babe. Like, it's giving inches, 100%. Not to get sentimental, but I've always struggled with having really thin hair, and the only thing that really makes me feel like super confident in my appearance is extension. People don't realize the positive effect that extensions and clip-ins can have on somebody who has naturally thin hair. I love that there's brands like Curlsqueen that not only allow the girls with thin hair to have full voluminous thick hair, but they also include the curly girls who might not want to straighten their hair 24/7 in order to wear clip-ins. So they created these curly clip-ins, which I think are so freaking cute. And when I tell you guys, they have different textures for every girl in mind. So this texture works for me, but they have tighter, kinkier textures. So if your hair is a little bit curlier and you just want a little extra volume and length, they got you, babe, I promise. So genuinely, like, I'm so happy to have these now. I'm so excited to like wear these out. I feel much more confident in my appearance now that like my hair is super thick. I mean, y'all saw the before and after. We're gonna show it again. Before and after. Okay, like I'm telling you, I'm about to eat the girls up. Like, prepare to be sick of me. Like, I'm about to be wearing these curly clip-ins every single day, period. Like, I don't know. I might at some point, I do like the long look, but I might at some point cut it just so that it looks a little bit more natural when I wear it. But that's like a TBD. And if I do that, I will record it, obviously. But big shout out to Curlsqueen. Thank you for sending me this hair. I am literally obsessed. You guys are going to see me in this hair 24/7. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time your girl uploads a video. And if you guys want to check out Curlsqueen, all of the links and everything will be listed in the description below. Y'all can get your hair looking good and popping like this, okay? But yes, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one.